Long time no talk. It's been a few weeks since I made a video, and there is a reason for that. It's hard for me to go into like detail about it, especially with the boys right here, but I figured there's no time like the present. So we had I'm gonna insert a clip somewhere. We had found out that I was pregnant, and then a week later, I had a miscarriage, and you know, it was very. I'm trying to get comfy here. It was very upsetting. I didn't go through like what I went through with my lab. Now I can talk. Let me see what time it is. It is now 8:11. I don't know why my is saying that. Sorry for the boys, but I had a miscarriage, and I've had a miscarriage before, and when I had a miscarriage the first baby, I'm trying to talk. Parker, look at me. Parker, hands and eyes. 1, 2, hands and eyes. We got to be quiet, okay? Mama's trying to talk. Anyways, I went through a depression with the first one, and it was awful. It was completely awful. But this time, I was very upset. You know, we went through the grief period, but I didn't go through a depression, which was really good. But I needed to take a break from doing, you know, videos or, you know, anything else that didn't focus on me and my family at the time. So that's where I've been. But today I thought I would take y'all with me throughout the day. We don't really have a lot going on. Mainly today is focused on cleaning. So this is mainly going to be like kind of like a 2-in-1 video, a day in the life and a cleaning video. I do need. That in fact was a lie. I go to the gym today. I don't know how much of that I will show. I did show my weights because on this channel I am going to start a weight loss journey. I am on my weight loss journey currently. I have been for about a month now, and I thought that I would document the journey so that I can look back on it whenever I do officially lose the weight. When I started, I was 254. It's been a month, and now I'm down to 251.8. So, I mean, there's a little bit of progress, but it could be better. I do have PCOS and endometriosis and hypothyroidism, so it does kind of make it a little bit hard to lose the weight, but I am seeing a difference as far as like how my clothes fit and how I feel. So that's a big thing for me. But yeah, so today is the gym. I have a meeting about switching colleges. I am thinking about switching my major from surgical technology to medical coding. That way, if I do end up getting a job in my career of choice, I can get a schedule that will work with the boys' schedule while they're in school. So that was the most important thing for me as far as going to college and making a career. You okay? It's okay. Sorry. But so we got the gym, I got that meeting, and then just a bunch of cleaning up around the house. I'm kind of deep cleaning, kind of not deep cleaning. It's just like whatever I see is dirty that needs to be cleaned, I'm cleaning it. So let's go throughout the day. this is a life hack or what, but yesterday after I put up all the laundry, the boys got obsessed with this specific laundry hamper. Oh, did you hurt yourself? I'm sorry, Bubba. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
It's okay. Look, you want to show them what you do with the laundry hamper? He puts all of his toys in there. See how they have their toys in there now, and then they take them to their room. So kind of like a life hack / mom hack as well. It's a good tool to get them to clean up their toys from the living room. So yeah, good job, Parker. Good job. I'll be in there in just a second, okay? Close it. No. Okay, so I forgot to show this after I made my pre-workout, but I do take vitamins every single day. I take B12 for energy. What are you doing, bud? And then a multivitamin, just this one right here. It's by Health by Habit. And then I am low on vitamin D, so I take this one every day. And then once a week, which starts today, I take this one, which is 50,000 units. You only take this one once a week. So take this one. And then I don't know if this works, but I'm trying it out anyway, and I hate taking it because it smells and tastes so bad. But it's just an apple cider vinegar tablet with ginger, cayenne, and maple in it. Apparently it supports water balance, healthy weight loss, and it promotes intestinal health. So I hate the smell of it. Can't get it out. There we go. But yeah, that's everything I take. And yes, I do get energy from the B12, in case anyone was wondering. I went by my mom's to get a crib mattress because this one, the little one, not the big one, he is climbing out of his pack and play that he sleeps in our room, and they are not ready to go into their own room yet. It's a whole thing. We've tried it and it just doesn't work. So we got a crib mattress to put beside the bed, just like we do with Parker, until we get some twin beds to put in their room, and then we'll work on that, whatever. But went by there, got that. They ate lunch with my mom, and now I am about to do some schoolwork. And yeah, I've got a quiz I need to retake, and then some homework, and another quiz I gotta take, and then an exam I have to take, and all of that's due tonight. So it's a lot, but yeah, bye.
Bye.
So it is like 10 o'clock now. If you hear a tablet, that's because this one's right here. He did not want to fall asleep. I didn't really get to do any cleaning yet because when I got home I had a lot of math homework to do. So that took up most of my evening. So I think I'm going to continue this video into tomorrow and do my cleaning then. So I said that I was going to clean in that video, and I was gonna do it the next day. Well, I ended up not doing that. As you can see, different outfit. So I'm just gonna end the video here. I did the explaining that I needed to do. We are gonna get back on track on these cleaning videos and some day in the lives. You know how my channel goes. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this little day in the life with me. Like I said, I'm gonna get back on schedule soon, but I will talk to you guys later. Bye.